Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook UBE biko with grated cheese. Our ingredients are white sugar, ubi flavoring, coconut milk, glutinous rice, ubi jam, butter, and a pinch of salt. Now let's start with the glutinous rice. We cook it in a rice cooker so it's easier and faster to cook. Okay, so while waiting, let's go with the coconut milk. In a warm pan, put the 1 can of coconut milk and add 1 cup of sugar. Stir it and dissolve the sugar in the coconut milk, keeping it in a low heat pan. When the coconut milk starts to thicken, add the ube jam. I only use half cup of ube jam because it's already sweet. And also add your 1 tablespoon of ube flavoring. Mix it all together. And after that, add a pinch of salt. The rice is already cooked. Now let's go to the next step. As you can see, the sauce is already thickened. Now we need to add the cooked rice in the mixture and just combine this all together. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in the mixture to make it moist and more tastier. Transfer to the prepared pan and flatten it. Using a knife or a pizza slicer, slice the biko in slant crisscross line to form a diamond-shaped pattern. And lastly, garnish each diamond with grated cheese in the center of each shape. There you have it guys, this is the UBE biko with grated cheese recipe. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe in my channel. Bye!